Bowling in IPL, it's a gamble. One off day and you are in the record books for all the wrong reasons. From legends getting smashed to rising stars having horror shows. Here are the top 7 most expensive bowling spells in IPL history. In the highest team total in IPL history, RCB were destroyed. Toply, despite dismissing Abhishek Sharma, was shelled for 25 in his last over. Abdul Samad went 4-4-6-6-4, taking Toply to 1 for 68. One of the worst spells in IPL history and one of the worst day to bowl in Bengaluru. Replacing Gerald Criczine, Lockwood had a stomach bug to worry about, and then came Jake Fraser-McGurk, 14 runs off his 3 balls. After a brief pause, Shea Hope and Tristan Stubbs tore into him. Stubbs played 4 outrageous scoops in a row and a good spell at 1 for 68. Everyone remembers this one. Gujarat Titans needed to defend 29 runs in the last over. Yash Dayal had already gone for 38, and then came Rinku Singh. 5 sixes in 5 balls, a finish for the ages. Dayal's spell ended at 69 runs, etched forever in IPL history. A night to forget in Bengaluru. Moeen Ali, AB de Villiers, Grandhome and Sarfraz Khan all went after Thampi. The result? 5 fours, 6 sixes and 70 runs in just 4 overs. A record that stood for years for all the wrong reasons. Introduced in the 12th over, Mohit was met with Rishabh Pant's wrath. But the real carnage came in the final over, which went for 6-4, 6-6 and 6. A painful 73-run spell that for a while held the record for the worst in IPL history. Shami, one of India's best with the new ball, had no answers on a flat Hyderabad pitch. Prabhsimran Singh opened the floodgates with 3 boundaries in the first over. Then Priyansh Arya followed with 6s and 4s galore in the third. And just when SRH thought the death overs could save him, Marcus Stoinis hammered 4 sixes to end the innings. End result was 75 runs in 4 overs, a nightmare for Shami. Back in the Royals jersey and hoping for a fresh start, Jofra Archer had the worst possible welcome. SRH went berserk. Travis had smashed 23 runs off Archer's first over. Then came Ishan Kishan, Nitish Reddy and Criczine, who turned his spell into a nightmare. 76 runs, no wickets, the most expensive spell in IPL history. In T20 cricket, you live by the sword and sometimes you really die by it. Which of these spells shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more IPL 2025 action.